Hey guys, so I'm gonna open my Instagram and there's this profile that I've been wanting to view for a while, guys, but there's one issue. The profile I'm gonna show you guys right here. It's private and I want to find a way to view it without following them. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do that in this video. You're gonna be able to go ahead and view Instagram profiles without following them, profiles that are private. So let me just go ahead and show you guys right here. This is the profile. It says this account is private. I'm going to show you guys how to basically unlock it. So what you need to do is follow along with my guide. Now, what you need to do is if you're on iPhone, open settings, and once you're there, you need to go ahead, go to general, find this option called background app refresh and make sure it's on. You can have it on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data, just make sure it is turned on. Now, once you've done that, guys, what you have to do is just go ahead and go down to the battery section and make sure low power mode is off. You'll know it's on because your battery percentage will turn yellow. Then go to where it says App Store and make sure automatic downloads is on. And once you've done that, you're all set.
So all you have to do now is go to this amazing site. So I'm just go to my browser and I'll show you guys where you need to go. So this is a super neat website. So once you're here, guys, just go to the search bar and you just want to go ahead and type it in. So as you can see right here, there are a ton of mods on this website, so it's pretty insane. So I'm going to go up to the search bar and just type it in right here. And you just want to put Instagram. It's going to bring up Instagram. So you're going to see a download button. So just go ahead and press on this. And now we have to wait until the bar reaches the end. And it's going to download Instagram. So just be patient, guys. Let it do its thing. This does take a while, but you just have to be a patient person, guys, and let it load, and then you will have Instagram on your device, and you can view all the private profiles without sending them a follow request, which is pretty insane. Because we have to wait until this reaches the end.
So it's going to prepare to unlock that private data. And as you can see, it worked. So now I'm going to go ahead and reopen Instagram, and we're going to see if we're actually able to see what is on this profile. Is it actually unlocked? So let's go ahead and go to it. As you can see, there it is, and boom, the account is unlocked. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead and share this with your friends to be able to see everything on the profile. See you guys later, and peace out.